Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to increase rally capacity in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and increase rally capacity in Dark War Survival. So first of all, upgrade the Alliance Plaza. This is the most important thing. So this is the primary building that increases the maximum number of troops your facilities can hold. It's the biggest source of your rally capacity. So when you're in the Alliance, of course, you can go there, and if somebody from the Alliance has to, of course, do it for you, go to the bottom right corner, click on the chat here, and click on Alliance, and then, of course, if you're in Alliance, type them a message. Also, you can research military technologies, so complete research that increases rally size and troop capacity in the military battle research trees. Upgrade the military center, so that is also the thing that you can do. You can go to your military center. So here in your, of course, scroll through all of these to find your military center, and then of course go and tap on that one. Level up heroes, so go to the bottom left corner. Here you have your heroes and the levels of your heroes, which you can click on. Click upgrade to level up your heroes. That's also what you can do, and you can of course improve hero chips and equipments. So we have a separate video on our YouTube channel on how you can go and put in some of the equipment, so you can go and check that out also. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.